Have you ever tried to stick to a budget and found yourself breaking it between weeks? Maybe you made one at the beginning of the month, but halfway through, you either overspending or just confused. You're not alone. The truth is that most budgets fail because they are not realistic or sustainable. Today, I show you how to build a budget that actually works and that you actually want to stick to. It is important to understand why most budgets fail. Many budgets fail because they are too restrictive or they don't align with our real life. We sometimes set limits but forget about unexpected expenses. Or maybe we make a budget so tight that it worns out and it's very hard to follow. Budgeting isn't about cutting it out every small joy, it's about balance. And one of the best methods that you can start with is 50-30-20 rules. Choosing the right budgeting method is very important. This one that I'm recommended is very good for beginners. There are a lot of budgeting methods out there, but for beginner, the 50-30-20 rule is a great choice because it is flexible and easy. Here is how it works. You take your income and you divide it into three main categories. 50% goes towards your needs, like rent, utilities, groceries. Then 30% goes towards your wants, which might include like dining out, going to the movies, or a hobby or hobbies. And the last 20% is for saving or paying off debt. This setup ensures that you are covering all the essentials, still enjoying life, and building a strong financial future. How to set up your budget. Alright, now let's get into setting up your budget in a few simple steps. First, list all sources of income, whether it is your job, as a side gig, or even gift. This is the total amount to budget with. Next, for a month, track all your expenses. Separate them into needs like rent and groceries and wants like entertainment. Now, apply the 50-30-20 rule to your income. Assign specific amounts to needs, want, and savings. If 50% seems too high or too low, you can adjust slightly, but keep it realistic. Finally, review your budget weekly or monthly to make sure that it's working. If something feels off, adjust. Budgets aren't set in stone. They don't have to be that rigid. Now, the hard part is sticking to the budget. Once your budget is in place, sticking with it is the real challenge. Some common issues are unexpected costs or budget fatigue. To stay on track, consider setting aside a small amount of money each month for those surprise expenses. You can also use budgeting apps like Rocket Money, which track your spending automatically and sends alerts when you are close to your limits. A good idea is to put weekly limits. You can also download free templates all around the internet. I'm gonna try to put one on the description of this video. If this is something new for you, just remember to celebrate the small wins. Meeting your goals, no matter how small or how big, it is a progress that's worth acknowledging. So there you have it, the basics of a budget that actually works. Remember, it's all about progress and not perfection. It's all about getting used to it. If you're ready to start budgeting, leave a comment below with your biggest financial goal. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to master your money, one step at a time. Thanks for watching.